make an expert a knife. And quite a few tricks with it. Well, not quite a few, like 2 tricks with it. One was that one that I showed you where I go like that, and then that. The other one's really cool. And making sure to do it over the surface so it doesn't break. Cause like I did those over like loads of takes over there and it broke. Okay, hopefully it works. Hopefully it managed to do it. I'm gonna try that again. Do you see that? Gonna do it again just in case you didn't see it. Okay, I didn't do it very well then. I'm gonna do it one more time. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time because that was terrible. That was horrible. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. But like actually do it. Damn it. I started off so well. Oh my god. I'm gonna try one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna do a different take. Do you see it? Okay, one more time just so you didn't see it. Just in case you didn't see it.